Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR MagicPad 2 and let me share with you some tips which you can apply when the app is crashing all the time and you cannot use it. So the first thing and the most obvious one is to reset your phone and phone or device actually. And I know that it might be obvious for a lot of you, but sometimes we really forget about this simple operation. I will not show it to you right now, but I will show you how to force restart your device at the end of this video, because it will take a little bit of time, so I'd like to focus on other options. So other option is to force stop the app, which might be useful because sometimes when the app is opened in the background, even though you cannot see it, it might interfere and it will not work fine. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and find the app which keeps crashing. So let me choose maybe camera. Just tap on the camera or any other app, of course. And here we've got this option, Force Stop. So just tap on it. Tap on Force Stop to confirm, and your device will completely shut off this app. So it is completely turned off. Moreover, here I highly recommend to get into the storage. Just tap on it, and here we've got this cache section. In my case, it is not. I do not have any cache saved, but if you've got one, just tap on Clear Cache to remove all of those junk files, which could also affect the app. I do not recommend tapping on Clear Data unless you want to remove actually everything. Alright, so that was the first thing which you can do. The second one is to check for the updates. And let's start with the updates of the app. So make sure that you've got the internet connection, log in into the Play Store. If you're not sure how to do it, we've got the tutorial of how to update the apps, how to add or remove a Google account in this device, so I highly recommend to check it. So now we are in the Google Play Store, and let's tap on the circle in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. Right here we've got updates available, and as you can see, this is the list of all apps which are currently installed on your device and which can be updated. So obviously just mark the option which you'd like to update and tap on this update icon. If you cannot find the app in this list for some reason, you can still simply tap on search and just enter the name of the specific app. So let me choose, for example, Facebook. And here we've got it. As you can see, it will show you this update option, so you can just do it here. And your device will basically download the update, and then it will be automatically installed. Moreover, if you like to, you should check the updates of the system, because sometimes if you've got an older version, it might interfere with different apps. So to check the system version, you have to enter the settings. Then in this left section, scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. And as you can see at the top, you've got Software Updates, so let's tap. And now your device is checking for the updates. Again, you will need the internet connection, and here you will have the information whether you're up to date or not. If you're up to date, then that's all right. And if you're not, your device will of course show you the information about the new update, and you will be able to simply tap on download or install and apply the update. And as a last resort, actually, I would recommend uninstalling the app and then installing it again. So of course you can do it using the Play Store again. So for example, right here we've got the Facebook, and we can just tap on uninstall. So let's tap on it, confirm. Your device will uninstall it, and then tap on install. If you want to, you can also reset your device between installing and uninstalling the app to confirm everything. Of course, you do not have to enter the Play Store to uninstall something. You can just tap on the app and hold it, and then you've got this uninstall option here. Alright, so now as I said, we can try to also reset our device. So we can perform the force restart option. So just press the power button, which is located here, and the volume down button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So basically just use the combination of keys, which is for the screenshot, but keep pressing the buttons. So keep pressing for approximately 8 seconds. Now we've got black screen, and keep pressing, and here we've got the developer's logo, so we can release the fingers, and now your device will be restarted. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.